Meaning of hee-haw.
hee-haw,
Hee-haw.
hee-haw,
Hee-haw. Hee-haw is an onomatopoeic representation of the braying sound that donkeys make. It is often used in literature, music, and entertainment to depict the sound of a donkey. The sound is created by the donkey exhaling through its nose and mouth while stretching its vocal cords. Donkeys typically use this braying sound as a means of communication, signaling alarm, or simply to establish their presence. Hee-haw has become a universal symbol of the humble and hardworking nature of these animals, as well as their stubbornness and resilience in the face of adversity.